Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. This court has expressed that there appears to be an ambiguity in the terms of advertisement disclosed to the candidates who had intended to participate in the selection process, and that stipulation of 40% marks in the preliminary examination as opposed to two separate papers in the examination. This court expressed this opinion that the candidate has to get 40% marks in the aggregate insofar as the two papers are concerned. Stop. Although it was later indicated that what is being expressed by this court may not be treated as a precedent. Stop. So far as the preliminary examination is concerned, even what was expressed by this court was not taken to be a final conclusion on the issue. The learned single judge of the High Court revisited the scheme of the selection process of preliminary examination, decided the controversy in the case of Joy Guria versus State of Jharkhand and others. Writ petition number 4188 of 2018 under its judgment dated 20th December 2018, holding that in the preliminary examination the candidate has to obtain qualifying marks in both the papers, and after the list of successful candidates was published, the main written examination was conducted on 1st February 2019 and the result of the main examination was declared, and all the successful candidates in the written examination who fell in the zone of consideration were called for viva voce, and the result of the candidates who qualified and successfully cleared all the stages. Stop. The final merit list was published of the selected candidates by the Commission on 21st April 2020, and after the recommendations were approved by the Government of Jharkhand, the successful candidates of the 6th Combined Civil Services Examination 2016 against 326 posts were appointed on various dates from June 2020 to July 2020, and so far as the appellants in the instant batch of appeals are concerned, including other selected candidates, were appointed by the government-wide notification dated 29 July 2020. Stop. Insofar as the present appellants are concerned, they belong to the fourth group. Stop. The learned single judge of the High Court, after interpreting clause 12 and 13 of the advertisement read with Rule 16 of the scheme of Rules 1951, arrived to a conclusion that so far as the main examination is concerned, paper 1 of General Hindi/General English was all qualifying paper for which the candidate has to secure 30 marks, and the merit of the candidate is to be assessed on the basis of remaining 5 papers in which the candidate has to secure minimum qualifying marks in each of the paper, and since this procedure has not been followed by the respondents, accordingly by a common judgment dated 7th June 2021, set aside the merit list prepared by the Commission with a direction to prepare a fresh list. Merit list was with reference to the marks obtained in the written test, 5 papers, and viva voce without adding the marks of paper 1, and thereafter the final select list may be drawn in accordance with law. Full stop. Over.